Great.
All right, Justin with Seaboard Marine here. Just want to talk a little bit about these aftercooler condensate drains. I'm going to zoom in a little bit here. So like this is a C aftercooler, but the B aftercooler, which there's one over here, all the aftercoolers, the Cummins aftercoolers have a condensate drain. They might come stock with one of these, or they might have a plug. Or, and this is it could either have a plug or this they call it a check valve, but it's not really a check valve in the true sense. So how this works is there's a spring in here, and I want to show you how to test this thing because these tend to go bad. And so if you take this and you blow on it, if you just breathe at about normal, just a normal exhale, it won't close up. But as soon as you blow, it closes right up. So that's a normal operating check valve. Just so if I blow hard, it locks up, and if I breathe easy, it just vents. So if you want to check your valve, that's the way to do it. It's not really safe to check it while you're running because the air could be really hot, high pressure, hot air coming out of here, and you would have to do it under load. So you'd have to get somebody down in the engine room while going hard under load to make a lot of boost to see if this thing's closing. So the only real safe way to do is pull it off and check it with your mouth. We also offer this. This is Tony's little doodad that he invented, and it's basically one of these plugs that's been drilled and tapped. We have these made, and we put a ball valve there. And the way this works is you would open up your engine. You'd open this up probably while your engine's idling, so there's a little bit of boost, just a little bit of pressure in there to blow everything out, or just open it up when the engine's off and let gravity drain it out. But you can even put a hose on here if you want, or just let it drain down into the bilge. It should be fairly non-salty water because it's condensation, not seawater, but there could be a little bit of salt air in there too. So if you want to put a hose, you can put a hose, or just open that up. But the standard is the Cummins check valve. These are handy, but they're a little more expensive. They're about $100, but then you don't have to deal with manually opening it. These last basically forever. They're pretty bulletproof, of course, but then you have to manually open it. So just a little video about the aftercooler condensate drain plugs.